students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshita Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Today's subject is English of Standard First and the name of the topic is Things that go together. Children, things means objects, any objects, okay? Things means objects that go together means sometimes we use things, two things, three things together we use, correct? That is called things that go together means, for example, we can see here ball and bat, isn't it? We use ball and bat together to play cricket, isn't it? Here we use chair and table together. Together means both, chair to sit and table to write. We use both at the same time, isn't it? So this is the meaning of things that go together, means things that we use together, okay? Name the following things. Children, here we can see some things. We will try to name them and we will try to read the spellings for these things. Okay? Shall we start? See this. What is this? This is a duster. D-U-S-T-E-R. Duster. We use to rub the blackboard, isn't it? That is called duster. What is this? These are chalks. C-H-A-L-K-S. Chalks. So many chalks are there, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is written chalks. Okay? What is this? This is a blackboard. We can see this in our school, in our classroom, isn't it? What is the spelling for blackboard? B-L-A-C-K. Black. B-O-A-R-D. Board. So it is blackboard. What is this? This is a chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Okay? We use to sit on this chair. What is this? This is a table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. What is this? This is a shoe. Spelling is S-H-O-E. Shoe. What is this? This is a sock. If two are there, then we call socks. S-O-C-K. Sock. Next, What is this? This is a toothbrush, isn't it? Tooth, tooth, brush, brush, toothbrush. We use this to clean our teeth, isn't it? Yes, this is a toothpaste, right? Tooth, tooth, paste, paste, toothpaste. What is this? This is colorful umbrella, correct? UMBRELLA, umbrella. We use umbrella in rainy season. Yes, it is raining, correct? So this is rain, RAIN, rain. Yes, what is this? This is hen, 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 right? What is this? This is an egg, EGG, egg. What is this? This is a ball, isn't it? We will write here ball. BALL, ball. We used to play by the ball, correct? What is this? This is a bat. Very easy spelling. BAT, bat. We use bat and ball to play cricket, isn't it? What is this? This is a lock. LOCK, lock. What is this? These are keys. KEYS, keys. This is a pencil, isn't it? PENCIL, pencil. This is a notebook. NOTE, note, BOOK, book. So together it is notebook. See this? This is a saucer. SAUCER, saucer. We use this to have the tea, isn't it? See this? This is a cup. C-U-P. Cup. Now dear students, match the following things that go together. Here you can see so many things, so many objects, isn't it? You can see cup, table, ball, paint, chair, brush, saucer, then bat, then umbrella, hen, lock, pencil, egg, key, notebook and rain. So many things here we can see. Yes, here what we have to do? We have to match. Okay, we have to match the things that go together. We use the things together. Okay, that we will match. First I will show you, and what we will do, we will circle them with the same color. Okay. Now see this. This is cup, isn't it? This is a cup. What we use along with our cup to have the tea? Yes. Do we use table, ball, paint, bat, saucer? Yes. Very good. We use cup and saucer together to have the tea, isn't it? Very good. Next, table. Which goes along with the table? See here, please observe the pictures. Which goes along with the table? Yes, you are right. Table and chair, isn't it? They both together we use. They go together. How we say? Cup and saucer. Chair and table. Right? Now ball and bat. Very good. This is your favorite one, isn't it? Ball and bat. Next, paint. Paint and, yes, very good, brush. Nice answer, dear students. Paint and brush. They both go together, right? When we use paint, we need brush to paint the picture, correct? So, paint and brush, they are very good friends. How bat and ball, chair and table, isn't it? Okay. Now umbrella. Umbrella. What remained now? Hen, lock, pencil, egg, key, notebook, rain. When we use umbrella? During rainy season, isn't it? So they are pair. Umbrella and rain. Okay. Then hen. Yes, very good. Hen and egg. They go both together. Correct? We get eggs from hen. Isn't it? Okay. Next, lock and key. Very good. We open and we close the lock with the help of key. Isn't it? The last pair remained is pencil and notebook. We write with the help of pencil on our notebook. Very good, students. I hope you understood about the concept. That is things that go together, making jodis or making pairs, isn't it? Here again, match the pairs. A and B columns we can see here. Yes, students, here names are given, not pictures. Okay, you have to understand the names. We will read them first. This is CUP, cup, table, ball, paint. This is chair, brush, saucer, bat. Okay, we will try to match the pairs. Okay, now first one is cup. Cup and saucer. Very good. So we will match these. See the picture now. Cup and saucer. This is cup and this is saucer. Okay. This plate we call as saucer. Okay. These things means both these go together. We use them one with another. Right. Next, table. Yes, nice answer. Table and chair. You know the spellings for table and chair, isn't it? So we will see the picture now. Table and this is table and chair. Good. Next, ball and bat. Very easy. See this, ball and bat. Right? Next, paint and brush. Paint and brush. Okay? Are you enjoying? Okay. One more match the pairs is there. Here also we can see A and B. Two groups are there. This is A group and this is B group. Here also first we will read the names of the things. Okay. This is UMBRELLA, umbrella, hen, lock, pencil, egg, key, notebook, rain. Yes, again we have to match them. The things from column A, we have to match them with the things from the column B. First, umbrella goes with rain. Yes, very good. Umbrella goes with rain. We use umbrella when it rains, isn't it? See this. Umbrella help us to protect from the rain, isn't it? Next, hen gives us eggs. Hen gives us egg, right? Next, lock and key. We can open and we can close the lock by the help of the key. We write by the help of the pencil on our notebook, isn't it? Got the students each and everything? I hope you understood, right? Try to make list of other things which go together. Okay? Like shoes and socks, shirt and pant, isn't it? Like that, you try to list the things. Things in my classroom. Children, this is one more lesson, that is things in my classroom. Okay, we will learn today this also. Okay, this is a classroom picture, isn't it? Because of this lockdown, you are at home and you are learning online, isn't it? But physically, this is your classroom. What is this? This is your classroom. Okay? And here so many things we can see. This is our classroom and so many things here. See this. All these things we can see in the classroom. Okay, we will learn the names of these things. Are you ready? Okay, we will move. Okay, what is this? This is a door. What is this? This is a door of the classroom. Next, we will move to here. What is this? This is a map. Map of India. Got this, students? This is a map of India. India is our country, isn't it? This is a map of India. Next, what is this? This is a clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Ghadi. Isn't it? Then next, this is a blackboard. This is also called a green board, but the name of the thing is blackboard. Okay. On this teacher writes. Isn't it? Next, this is desk. These are desks. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the class, there are 4 desks. Correct? This is one desk. There are 4 desks. Okay. Now, here we sit. And on the desk, we write. We keep our notebook to write. Isn't it? And on the seats, we sit. So, these are called as seat. One seat. Seats, second one, third, fourth. In the class there are 4 seats. Okay. Next is, this is teacher's table. Here students sit. Correct? Children, they sit on the desk and sit. Okay. They use desk and sit, and this table is for teacher. This is a table and this is a chair. Correct? Now, what is this, dear students? This is a computer. See, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. What is this? Computer. Okay? Teacher uses computer. Right? Next, what is this? This is window. Okay? Khidki. Window. Okay, see the spelling. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. Okay. Next is, see this. This is the projector. Okay. By using projector, teacher shows so many movies, small pictures and rhymes and all that on the screen. This is a screen. Can you see? This is screen. When we pull this down, it becomes a screen. Okay. This is screen and this is projector. Got this, students? What we call this? Projector, and this is white color. This is screen. Okay. Next, see this, what you can see here. These are chalks. Correct? One chalk. This is second chalk. Okay. And what is this? You know, this is a duster. Isn't it? Yes, students. So many things we can see in the classroom. One more is there. What is this? This is a school bag. Isn't it? This is a school bag. Right? That you carry to school. Got this, students? Here we can see so many things of our classroom. Try to understand the names, try to learn the names and try to learn their spellings. Okay? Thank you, students.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe
to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.